Butch Maxwell was born on April 18, 1940 in Minneapolis, Minnesota. His remarkable aviation career began at the age of 5 when he accompanied his father to Northport Airport in White Bear Lake. During the final months of World War II, U.S. Army Air Force pilots trained there in L-4 and UC-78 aircraft, and North Aviation held the contract to overhaul their engines and propellers. Butch's first job was assisting his father by separating engine components, a small task that marked the beginning of a lifetime dedicated to precision aircraft maintenance. Butch's father founded Maxwell Aircraft Service at Northport Airport in 1946, relocating the shop to Crystal Airport in 1952. Butch grew up in this environment of aviation craftsmanship and by age 14 was overhauling automotive engines in the family basement. He graduated from Robbinsdale High School in 1958 and began working full-time for the family's propeller and engine business. After a year at the University of Minnesota, he realized he would rather fix propellers than read about them, and in 1960 he enrolled at Dunwoody College of Technology to study mechanics. In 1962, Butch enlisted in the U.S. Air Force Reserve's 934th Airlift Wing and received extensive aircraft and propeller maintenance training at Sheppard Air Force Base in Texas. His outstanding performance earned him crew chief responsibilities on the Douglas C-117, Fairchild C-119, and Lockheed C-130, among others. That same year, he received his FAA mechanics certificates, later achieving Advanced Maintenance Mechanic certification. He served honorably until 1970, advancing to the rank of Technical Sergeant. Butch returned to Sheppard Air Force Base in 1975 for advanced maintenance coursework, further deepening his technical expertise. In 1980, Butch purchased Maxwell Aircraft Service from his father and continued to build it into an internationally respected overhaul facility, specializing in propellers manufactured by Hartzell, Macaulay, MT, Hamilton Standard, and Sensenich companies. Known for his meticulous attention to detail, he has often joked that he's simply an old man working on antique propellers. Though the concrete floors around his workbench, literally worn down by decades of his footsteps, tell the story of a master craftsman devoted to his profession. Butch's reputation extends beyond aviation. His lifelong passion for engine building and sprint car performance led to his 2022 induction into the Knoxville Race Hall of Fame, a testament to his expertise in high-performance engine overhaul. In 2015, he received the FAA Charles Taylor Master Mechanic Award, recognizing over 50 years of safe and dedicated aircraft maintenance. Across many years of service and continuous operation for Maxwell Aircraft Service, Butch Maxwell earned the respect of pilots, mechanics, museums, racing professionals, and aviation leaders across the nation. His legacy is defined by exceptional skill, unwavering commitment to safety, and a lifetime spent advancing aviation in Minnesota and beyond.